Hey guys, Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm standing in front of a 2019 Bennington 25Q. This model has dual consoles and the windshield and the cladded power sports arch. It's a beautiful boat. It's in black with a metallic sorrel accent. This boat has the ESP package. It's paired with a 350 horsepower Mercury Verado. This boat is super low hours, only 83 hours on this boat. Got rear firing speakers. Got the additional head unit here in the rear to control your stereo. Let's climb aboard. Welcome aboard the 25Q. This is a gorgeous boat. It's in a platinum interior color with Espresso accents. Got in-floor storage, dual console, full windshield, the power-cladded sports arch. We've got Roswell speakers. Here at the helm, we've got a kicker head unit. This boat also has the satellite radio antenna, and a Simrad chart plotter. We've got a beautiful co-captain's chair. Got stern radius seating in the rear. Your bimini top. Canvas is in great shape. Also have a removable ski pylon. It's a gorgeous boat. If you guys would like to find out more information or come take a look at it, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.